This came on together, didn't she? Well, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by ILIKEHAIR. They sent me a unit to try for you guys. This is my first time working with this brand. I must say my standards were high. Y'all been asking me to try them and try them and try them. Here we go. Get into the bundles. Before we style this natural kinky edge glueless, glueless install, the specs and what I think about this unit straight out the pack. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from ILIKEHAIR. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This unit does come with natural edges, so it should be pretty natural around my hairline. Y'all know my edges are not super thick, so this will definitely give me fake it till you make it, okay? First off, let me cut off the lace in the back. If you are new here, I have tried a couple of these wigs. This is my first time trying this brand though, so I'm kind of excited about the wig. Wait a minute, I'm supposed to have a band on here. Where's it at? It came with the elastic band that you can attach to your wig, so I want to go ahead and do that. Now I didn't go in and fully wash the wig, meaning I didn't dunk it in water. I did spray her down with my Mr. bottle, and then I used my leave-in detangler conditioner to spray all over the wig, and then I blow dried hers. I do need to tint my lace because she is looking ashy. I'm going to use my Toffee 330 powder. This is my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Normally I use the 360, but I can't find that today, so we're going to use what we have right in front of us, okay? So I'm going to put that all over. If it's still too light, once I put it on, I can definitely use my contour to fix that. The goal is to rock this unit glueless, but I gotta make sure it's gonna sit around my hairline correctly. For this unit, ILIKEHAIR is all about the natural edges, you know, not putting too much heat to it. Because of how this is looking already, I'm gonna need to like brush them out a little bit. We're gonna make sure it's still natural. They're not gonna have me out here looking ridiculous, okay? We're gonna make it look good. Ow, ow, ow. Flip her over. It's not super pre-plucked, but the edges are not super heavy either. It is a little blocky up in here for my taste. I'm just gonna pull a little bit out with my tweezers. Not too much. I don't want it to be bald in the front, because once I press the, well, I don't want to say press, once I brush the hairline out, I don't want it to have any gaps. Pull a little like that. I'm gonna brush that out. I don't know if that's the hairline. What is that? Because this is the hairline here. I'm just gonna pull a little bit of that out as well. It's a little too thick and it doesn't make it look gradual. I can see that line. You may not be able to see it, but I can see it on me. This is all optional, so you do not have to do this if you do not want to. You can definitely make this wig work how it is out the pack. Just breaking it up a little bit, combing it out. I could probably do a little bit more, but I'm not. I'm gonna leave it. Let me clip up the hair. Flower claw clip. Gonna get these ear tabs cut off. Let me take my glasses off so I can make sure I place them correctly. It's honestly not bad where this is sitting, so I don't think I need to cut any of the hair off, just the lace. So I'm just gonna follow that around. Cut this in 3. I hope that wasn't too far. Ooh. Because I cannot see. That's right in the hairline. Golly. It's all right. It's all right. Let me just get this off right in the front. For a more natural hairline, you can definitely curve up your lace or how you cut off your lace if you want to. I pretty much just go right around the hairline that's already on the wig. I need my mousse. I'm going to take my Nairobi mousse and I'm going to use it around my hairline. I mainly want to use this to mold the hairline around my forehead. So I'm just going to put 3 little pumps on each side, and I'm just smoothing it down and smoothing it back. I'm not swirling the hairline at all. That's not what I'm going for today. I just want to mold this lace to my face. Bars. She got the bars. I think that's good. They did send me a little wrap and some clips and a brush. Okay, thank you. ILIKEHAIR. And wrap her down like so. Glasses on, and there we go. Okay. All right, before I take my wrap off, let's go ahead and straighten this hair just a little bit. I'm looking right here, the ends are cut too. They're pretty even, so okay, I like hair. I like that. Me washing the hair and then blow drying it on high heat kind of sleek the hair out by itself, so okay. But I'll leave my little Time-O hot comb right here just in case. So let me just go ahead and take this off then, so you can see what the hairline is working with. Okay, all right. It's a little ashy, but I can fix that with my contour. There are combs on the side, so if you want to use those, you can. I know I don't like using the combs unless I have my wig grip on. Uh-oh, what's that? That is hair. Where is this? Okay, hold up. I am getting shedding. Is that from cutting into my wig? Goodness gracious. Okay. Let me take the contour, put it right on the edge there, and blend that in. When you step outside, you will be able to see that. So the best thing I would suggest you do is blend your lace in front of a window. That will make sure your unit is as natural as possible outside. In front of these lights and in my bathroom lights, it's gonna be blended, it's gonna be seamless. But when you step outside, you're gonna be able to see it. It's gonna be real ashy. These lights are like a natural filter, so it's gonna pretty much brighten all those shadows. Right here, I can see there's a shadow there, but if I turn to the side, you can't really see it as much. You see what I'm saying? Blend that all together. Ooh, I am sweating. It must be hot outside. The hair is thick, but it ain't that thick to be sweating like this. So let me get this off. They did send me a comb. I'm pretty sure it's a 13x4 parting space. They also didn't bleach the knots, but the knots aren't super big, so you should be able to blend those down for yourself. Y'all can see right here how ashy that lace is, considering my wig cap is actually brown. We're gonna flatten this out on the top here. I turned on my hot comb, but I'm gonna use my blow dryer on high heat really quick just to flatten this out. And brush that down. Parting space is a little close, so I'm gonna pluck some of that hair out. So go side to side, break that up a little bit, thin it out, just so it's not so close. Gotta turn this way to get my angles correct. What'd I do with my brush? Right in front of my face, child. Oof, goodness gracious. Goodness me. Again, this is all optional, but I wanted to give it as natural look as possible. I do wish it was a little bit more pre-plucked, but because the knots on this wig are so small, it doesn't take a lot of work to finesse this wig to your liking. But if you don't want to do it, like I said, you don't have to do it. This hair is, ooh, child, this hair is flowing. You hear me? 22 inches. Let me just straighten out the top right here. Not too much, because I want to make sure I keep that texture in the wig. I'm not straightening the edges, just the hair behind it. I probably could put on my wig grip just for a more seamless fit around my hairline. Let me just see. I feel like I need a little bit more security around my front. Definitely a lot better. I love that fit now. I do wish the edges were a little bit deeper on the side, just to give me more of that look around my ear. Glasses on. Just need to brush this hair back. Do my spot check for my contour. Make sure that's good. And cut these little lace scragglies off. Blend that lace in. Put some knot eraser in my parting space. Ooh, this is looking pretty good. There we go with that. I was a little iffy about that 13x4 parting space, especially in this price point, but it works out. It's not bad. Make sure my track not showing. Okay, we good right there. I do need to put a little bit of wax on the top, so I got some flyaways. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of grease, okay? Whatever grease you have. This is my Blue Magic, this is the castor oil one. Not a lot, just literally a little bit, okay? A little teeny bit like that. Rub it over and smooth it on the hair. Just as a finish and to help with those flyaways. I don't wanna use too much wax, it'll make it shiny and kind of stringy looking. That's not what I want. Brush that in. Brush that back. I think we are good to go. Ayo. This came on together, didn't she? Nothing crazy about this wig. Initially, I thought I needed a little bit more hairline, and I still kind of feel like it could do a little more up in here, especially in this price point and quality. I know not everybody's savvy with the tweezers. I like hair. If you want to go ahead and do that for us, you know, that'll be great. But I'm not mad at the end result for this wig. The hair quality for this wig is on point. Y'all know I've tried a lot of fast fashion kinky straight wigs lately, and the quality is just not there for those type of wigs. But this one is definitely giving me quality. It's giving me kinky straight. It's giving me, it ain't gonna melt. It ain't gonna melt. Now for my 23-inch head, gang gang, this joint is fitting down pretty comfortably with the wig grip. So, you know, I'm here for that. I can definitely rock this joint all day. And if it gets too hot outside because the sun is peeking on through today, I can use my little claw clip like this and just twist her on up. Let's do it so y'all can see. Claw clip. Get the little messy look. Okay, so yeah, I can do that too. If I don't want it to be swinging around, I can just tuck it under there like that. All right, there we go. I don't know how I did that, but I did it. But I want it to be out. What did I do? There we go. The unit as a whole, y'all, is just so pretty. I'm here for y'all, and if you're not, sorrows. Shout out one more time to ILIKEHAIR for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.